When it comes to generating visuals, two AI tools that are making waves are RunwayML and StyleGAN. But which one is truly better for your creative needs? In this video, I'm going to break down the strengths and weaknesses of each, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one comes out on top, or if there's a better alternative for your visual generation goals. Let's start with RunwayML. RunwayML has gained a lot of attention for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It offers a wide range of AI models, not just for image generation, but also for video, text, and sound. It's a great choice if you want to integrate different types of media into your projects, whether you're working on animations or creative videos. The simplicity of the platform is a big draw. Even if you're not a machine learning expert, you can start generating visuals with just a few clicks. But, and here's the thing, it does have some limitations when it comes to customization and deep control over the AI models. If you're looking for more specific, fine-tuned results, you might find yourself hitting a wall with the presets and templates that RunwayML offers. It's great for quick, visually stunning results, but might not always give you the power or flexibility you need for highly specific visuals. Next, let's talk about StyleGAN. StyleGAN, particularly in its newer versions like StyleGN2 and StyleGN3, is a powerhouse for generating highly detailed and realistic images. It has a more complex setup than RunwayML and requires a deeper understanding of the underlying AI tech. If you're someone who's willing to dive into the technical side of things, StyleGAN can give you stunning, lifelike images that often outshine other tools. However, the steep learning curve can be a major drawback for some. You'll need a bit of technical expertise, and setting up the system isn't as seamless as what you get with RunwayML. Plus, StyleGAN requires significant computing power to generate high-quality images. It's not exactly a tool you can casually use without a robust machine or cloud processing. The third thing to consider is how both platforms approach creative control. With RunwayML, as I mentioned, you get convenience but not as much depth. On the other hand, StyleGAN allows you to get deep into the fine-tuning of the visuals, but at the cost of time, technical knowledge, and resources. Both have their own trade-offs, and which one suits you depends on how much control you want versus how much ease of use you're after. Now, what's the verdict? Both tools are powerful in their own ways, but they cater to slightly different needs. RunwayML is fantastic for quick, easy projects and creative versatility, while StyleGAN excels in generating highly realistic, detailed images, but with a bit more complexity involved. Here's where it gets interesting. If you've tried both and you're still not satisfied, there's an alternative that might be worth checking out. After testing all of these myself, I'd recommend taking advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial offer, tailored for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use AI tool that delivers on visuals, no matter your skill level. Both RunwayML and StyleGAN are solid options, but if you want a better alternative to generate visuals with less hassle and more flexibility, give that free trial a shot. You won't regret it.